Number 10 is about charging appropriately. So, with the insanity that happened the last couple of months, where we had all our adjustment interviews for the whole year scheduled in 2 months' time, it really slammed us with a lot of work. And so, every second where we would frankly do free work and not charge people when they were supposed to on some RFE responses, some post interview RFEs that were like ridiculous. We just got an RFE post naturalization interview. The officer asked a bunch of stuff that was ultra virus, like it wasn't applicable in the case, it wasn't needed, but I don't want to get as a dumb denial. So I referenced in the policy manual where like the information accuracy is incorrect. I'm not supposed to ask for that, but we just provided anyways to just get approved. And I added like 3 hours of work. When you're slammed with a bunch of stuff you're doing, 3 hours, 3 legal hours, not like hanging out hours, like minute, like adding them up. It means a lot. It's a lot. So I charged on that, and my client is really cool. I think for understanding. I give him a kind of a discount percentage off too, but it was like it's really hard because there's the 30-day deadline for that one. So I'm like running, do this, doing that, unexpected work here, unexpected work there. But when you charge for it and the bottom line, like the finance of the company work and you get what's going on, it just makes it easier not to stress out because it's like an extra 3 hours of time I could have done marketing or develop my systems better to be more efficient, but I couldn't because I was doing something I'd normally, frankly, I would have done for free, just do it as a courtesy, but I don't have the time to do that and it's going to hurt the bottom line. Inflation is coming and going to hit us like a brick wall. So we got to really adjust things accordingly. And so I just want to share with you, you'll be less stressed and clients understand. Listen, immigration lawyers, we do flat rate most of the time, but all these other practice areas, they bill you every second they talk with you. You talk to you for a second, they bill you for 7 minutes. And I don't even do that. I just charge by the minute, essentially, and I don't charge extra. But it's hard at first because, again, where most immigration lawyers are like nice and want to help and this and stuff, which is very true of 15 years of that. But it causes much less stress on the system by just charging with work, charging, not screwing people over or like ripping them off. You just like can't give you everything for free. Just keep track of your time. Keep track of your time. I know a lot of you don't do that, but have some sort of system where you keep track of your time on cases. It's just internally good for you to figure out too. Every time we submit a case, we have a review. I tell how long did it take to fall within our pricing structure, and sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But then when it doesn't a lot, we got to increase the cost and everything. And then at the approval time, we check again because they may have like contacted us or have extra work and stuff. And say eventually there's the flat fee or the extra, this that all match what our hourly rates for our team members are and our costs are. And if it doesn't, that means you have to raise the price or let's not do the case. And that's why we don't accept several types of immigration cases because we can't get it done in a fashion that the price we charge clients will reflect the amount of work we put into it. So we just don't do. I don't do O1s because if I do an O1, I'm going to do it at EB1A quality. And from the understanding of a lot of people, competitors, if you will, in the market, I'll charge 3 times they will for an O1. So it's like doesn't even make sense for me to accept those O1 cases. And so EB1A we do, and the prices people are willing to pay because it's a green card. But for O1s, I've seen people doing some bare bottom prices, and they seem like they do good jobs. So it doesn't make sense for me to do them.